Dorman Products Top Parts Overview Video, a monthly announcement on new, formerly dealer-only parts. Think it's dealer-only? Check Dorman first. This month's featured OE fix is our exclusive engine oil filter bypass valve, now available for over 1 million popular Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram vehicle applications from 2013 to 2011. Original bypass valves typically require replacement due to particles breaking off inside the oil filter housing, which eventually leads to improper oil filtration. When original valves fail, replacement from the dealer is time-consuming, costly, and requires the purchase of an entirely new oil filter for a complete repair. Dorman's OE Fix addresses this common failure mode by offering the oil filter bypass valve separately, enabling replacement of just the failed valve instead of the entire assembly, saving time and money. Dorman's new diesel emissions fluid pump, also known as the DEF pump, is a direct replacement for popular Chevy and GMC trucks from 2016 to 2010. Available as a complete kit, Dorman's DEF pump includes a syringe, mounting hardware, and instructions for complete and convenient repair. Plus, Dorman's DEF pumps are plug-and-play, an easy installation that does not require programming. Also new this month is a third brake light assembly for Chevy Malibu applications from 2012 to 2008. Dorman's third brake light assemblies feature integrated LED bulbs to provide up to 10 times more brightness than standard incandescent bulbs. Our third brake light assemblies are small, inexpensive replacement parts, providing an additional warning light when the vehicle slows down or comes to a complete stop. The integrated LED bulbs offer quick illumination and high efficiency, helping to reduce rear-end collisions while on the road. Additionally, installing Dorman third brake light assemblies are easy because they are direct fit replacements with a plug-and-play design and require no wire splicing during installation where applicable. Dorman now offers a diesel glow plug relay for popular late-model Chevy and GMC pickup trucks from 2004 to 2001. The glow plug relay provides power to the vehicle glow plugs to help preheat and warm the vehicle's cylinders during cold starts. To provide a convenient solution for this in-demand replacement, our complete glow plug relay assembly features two Dorman relays inside for the left and right side glow plugs. Additionally, our glow plug relays are plug-and-play for easy installation and ensure a proper fit every time. Finally, also new this month is an OE Fix ABS control module for popular Ford F-150 late-model pickup trucks from 2004 to 2000. Original units typically require replacement due to a failed electronic pump relay on the circuit board, which eventually causes the entire module to fail. Dorman's OE Fix addresses this common failure by updating the ABS control module's main pump transistors for added durability and as a preventative step in avoiding future relay burnout. Additionally, Dorman's direct replacement offers plug-and-play convenience for easy installation. Also available this month, Honda headlight adjusting motor, GM brake dust shield, 80 new drive shaft assemblies, over 15 control arm bushings, 10 auxiliary water pumps, and over 5 new convertible tops.